Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah wa ala azwajihi wa alihi wa sahbihi ajmain ila yawmiddin. In this program, today I explain day and date change in Islam. In Islam, the night precedes the day. गिनती में पहले रात आता है फिर दिन. The new days of month or Hijri begins with the settings of the sun. सूरज के डूबने के बाद में हमारे दीन इस्लाम में दिन चेंज हो जाता है, डेट चेंज हो जाता है. Hence, for example, once the sun sets after the 10th day in the Ramadan, the 11th has already begun. So if today is Sunday, then Maghrib begins at 5 p.m. Then know from the moment Maghrib time begins, on that day, Monday begins. The Islamic cycle of a day begins with the settings, not the risings of the sun. In Muslim countries, when someone is speaking about going out on Friday night, he means the night that comes before the day of Friday. Means Thursday night. Remember, the date and day name change after sunset, Maghrib, not as English, which is changed at midnight at 12 o'clock at night. Many people are confused when they are going to Arabian countries, Muslims countries. Now I hope you don't confuse after heard of this lecture. Thank you. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين وآخر دعواهم الحمد لله رب